Hello friends, in this lesson we are going to learn the compound verb vachu. In this lesson you will learn about the Telugu compound verb vachu. Normal meaning of vachu is come in English. However, when it is used as a compound verb, the sense of action is different. Here is an example. Ramu సినిమా చూసి వచ్చాడు. Ramu returned from a movie. In the above sentence, there are two actions with the use of a compound verb. The first action is seeing a movie and the second action is he returned to home. Ramu సినిమా చూశాడు. Ramu saw a movie. In the above sentence, the verb just indicates the action of seeing a movie. Here are some other verbs along with the use of vachu. Tinu, eat. Tini vachu, to return after finishing eating. Tragu, drink. Tragi vachu, to return after finishing drinking. Vellu, go. Velli vachu, to return after visiting a place. Matladu, speak. Matladi vachu, to return after finishing speaking. You can add vachu to any verb to change its sense as above.